In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send to back in Figma. When you are arranging a layout, sometimes an object sits on top of everything else and you need it tucked behind other elements. Sending to back does exactly that. It moves the selected layer to the very bottom of its stack so other layers appear in front. Start by opening your design in Figma. Make sure you are on the correct page and inside the frame or artboard where your object lives. Click once on the object you want to move so you see its bounding box and selection highlight. If the object is part of a group or frame, selecting it on the canvas will also highlight it in the Layers panel on the left, which helps confirm you've got the right layer. Precise selection matters here. If you accidentally select a parent frame, the command will affect that container instead of the specific layer you intended. With the object selected, use the right-click method. Right-click directly on the object, then choose Send to Back from the context menu. Instantly, Figma places that object behind all other elements within the same group or frame. That last part is important. Send to Back works inside the current container. If your object is inside a frame, it will go behind its sibling layers in that frame. But it won't jump behind items in a different frame. If you expected it to disappear behind everything but it didn't, double-check which frame or group it's in. You can also select multiple layers and send them back together. They'll move as a block while keeping their order relative to each other. If the object becomes fully hidden, don't worry, you can still reselect it from the Layers panel to adjust its order again. You can achieve the same result using the Layers panel, which is great for precise control. In the left-hand panel, find the selected layer under its parent frame or group. The visual order there mirrors the stacking order on the canvas. Layers at the top of the list appear in front. Layers at the bottom sit behind. Click the disclosure arrows to expand groups if you don't see your layer. Then click and drag your object downward until it reaches the bottom of its section. Release and the object moves behind all other elements in that container. If you can't drag it, the layer or its parent may be locked. Unlock it first, then reorder. Renaming layers helps you track what you are moving, and toggling visibility lets you quickly confirm the result. That's it. Thanks for watching.